Today we're going to be discussing how much is a nursing home abuse and neglect case worth. My name is Barry Doyle. I'm a lawyer in Skokie practicing nursing home abuse and neglect work throughout the state of Illinois. I'm also the author of Built to Fail, a free report available for download from my website, which spells out how the nursing home business model inevitably produces unnecessary injuries and deaths for nursing home residents. In the end, how much a nursing home abuse and neglect case is worth is going to depend on what the jury awards if the case goes to trial. Now, the statistics are that 97-98% of all cases get resolved somewhere short of trial. So the real question is what's the fair settlement value of the case? And there are a number of factors that go into this. One issue that's important is how much insurance coverage is actually available. One of the surprising facts about the nursing home industry is that nursing homes are in fact not required to carry liability insurance at all. You need liability insurance to drive a car. They don't need that to actually operate a nursing home. The amount of liability insurance coverage that's available isn't necessarily a ceiling on what the case value is worth, but it is exceedingly difficult to get compensation in excess of the amount of insurance coverage. Past that, there are two real important issues that go into evaluating a case for settlement. One is the issue of liability, and when we talk about liability, there are two important factors. One is the issue of proving negligence or substandard care, and the other is showing that there was an injury that was caused by the substandard care. The issue of causation is a really important one in a nursing home abuse and neglect case because many people in nursing homes have underlying medical conditions or problems that the defense will use to say really caused the underlying injury and it wasn't the poor care at all. This can be a very complex kind of issue depending on the facts of the case. Sometimes it's relatively straightforward, but often it is a difficult onion to unpeel, and this is one of the reasons why you want to get the assistance of a skilled nursing home abuse and neglect lawyer to assist you with your case. The other issue is the nature and extent of the damages, and when we talk about that, it depends on whether this is a death case or not, but in the end, the worse the outcome is in general, the more is going to be the exposure that the nursing home is going to have to consider in evaluating the case for settlement. So it's going to be a combination of these two main factors, which the nursing home and the insurance company is going to be evaluating. What's the chances of them being found liable for the injuries that occurred? And the second is what is their outlying exposure? In other words, how much can a jury hit them for? Trying to come to conclusions regarding this is one of the most important skill sets that a lawyer brings to the table. And it's one that you really can't begin to answer without doing the hard work to try and figure out what the case is all about. One of the things I tell you is that the sure sign that you are talking to the wrong person is when they try to tell you what the case is worth during your initial discussion with them over the phone. To me, that's a sign of one of two things. Either they don't know what they're talking about or they're doing a sales job on you. And neither of these are good things for you. So I hope this has been interesting. If you have any questions regarding this or any other nursing home abuse and neglect issue, please feel free to reach out to us. Our number is 312-263-1080, or we can be reached on the internet at www.accidentlawillinois.com. Thank you for watching.